Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and aspiring builders. Welcome to today's videos about introductions to building regulations and codes. Have you ever wondered why buildings stand tall and strong? It's all thanks to building regulations and code, the rule books for safe and sturdy structures. Think of codes as safety guidelines. They ensure buildings can handle such as earthquakes, fires, and other emergencies. Safety first, always. Codes can vary from place to place. Your city might have its own rules, so before you start your project, know your local codes. If you're planning to build, start with permits. They are like golden tickets to constructions. Without them, you might be in a sticky situation. Architects and engineers are the code whisperers. They translate codes into designs that keep us safe. Teamworks make the dreams walk. Fire exits, proper wiring, ventilations, codes covers it all. They are like a recipe for a building that's safe and comfy. Whether it's your dream homes or a mega skyscraper, codes are the backbone. So remember, build right, build safe. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more construction insights. Until next time, happy building!